Well, here at home, right now, inmates at the Utah State Prison are building thousands of pieces of furniture.
Yeah, it's all for the new prison and is saving the state $5 million. Michael Locklear has an exclusive look at what's to gain for taxpayers and the people behind bars.
One of the things the inmates are making are chairs. This is Vincent here. He's working on putting the arms on that chair there. And when it's done, it'll look like this. 3,300 chairs in the works right now. This is our first look at how Utah's inmates are helping to craft their new home. What's it like making furniture for the new prison?
It's awesome. Gets me out of my house, keeps me doing something productive.
We're going to be building over 400 student tables.
And 80 of these tool cabinets. Supervisor R.J. Johansson tells me the inmates not only build this stuff, they design it after getting trained on the drafting software.
Anything that we want to build, they can put into the system and we can perfect that. Not only does it save taxpayer dollars, but we actually can create something great out of a prison.
We take pride in everything that we do.
Paul Walk leads the 5-inmate welding team. One big project, thousands of feet of benches and railing where inmates can be locked down.
It prevents them from being able to slide back and forth.
Do you plan to do something with the skills when you get out?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
What kind of work would you like to do?
I'm going to be a welder.
About 300 inmates are learning new skills and taking ownership of the new prison.
We're being able to accomplish a lot with a little.
The workers get paid about $1 an hour, helping make this furniture a better deal for taxpayers.
I'm actually hoping that I don't see it in the new prison. Tell you the truth.
And the inmates are also making hundreds of desks. The new prison is expected to open sometime in 2022. At the Utah State Prison in Draper, Michael Locklear, 2 News.